Just 2 days before we closed, I requested Brother Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Bhushan Gavai, Justice Suryakant, Justice Nagaratna and Justice Vikram Nath, who are members of the building committee, to accompany me to the place where we have been allotted some land by the Government of India. Now, as you know, the area of land which had been allotted by the government was initially rather small. So we were pursuing the government to increase the area of allotment so that the adjoining area which was allotted to an oil company can be allotted to the Supreme Court, because an oil company can move its facilities a little away, but for us it's very important to have facilities close to the Supreme Court. So we inspected the area. And I must share with you a very happy news on the occasion of Christmas, that a decision has been taken. We have all informally decided, and we have already asked for the drawings to be prepared for the construction of a new set of chambers for the members of our bar.
Thank you, sir. जब तक नंबर नहीं बताएं.
The reason why I'm not, Agarwal ji, the reason I can't give you exact precise number is because of the fact that the drawings are being prepared. So it will be substantially larger than what was earlier. So we will also have in the process, we are also thinking of having conference rooms for members of the bar, consultation rooms for the members of the bar, so that those who don't get chambers will also have places where they can come and sit, the younger juniors of the bar who are...
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The idea is that any member of the bar who comes to the Supreme Court should have on the very first day a place where you can sit, do your work, attend to your work, and gather strength as a lawyer. So this is a decision. This is a decision which we have taken. Now, one last thing which I wanted to share with you. Part of my work is not merely to do these things, but also to reform the institutions and processes of the Supreme Court. No reform in that sense is simple to accept. Unless we also take some of the hard decisions, reform can never take place within the system. Now, on the adjournments which Mr. Agarwala mentioned, I've already constituted a committee consisting of Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Bhushan Gavai and Justice Suryakant. They will meet the members of the bar immediately after we reopen. We will institutionalize the process. We will institutionalize the process of seeking adjournments. At the same time, you must understand my perspective, because if I don't give you my perspective, it will not be fair. I am also concerned about the fact that we don't exist here in the Supreme Court only for lawyers and judges. We exist for the litigants at large. And I therefore want to institutionalize the process. I understand the concerns of the bar, that there may be some reasons why I've been a member of the bar myself, and I still consider myself a member of the bar. I hope Agarwala ji has not struck off my name from the rolls of the SCBA. So I'm still a member of the SCB, I hope. So I'm a member of the bar. At the same time, we must ensure that we answer the needs of the litigants. I understand that there are times when you have to take adjournments. There is a bereavement in somebody's family. There is a marriage in somebody's family. Somebody has a medical ailment. You have to file a counter affidavit. Therefore, you require time for filing a counter affidavit. But tell me, how do I justify 4,000 slips where a lawyer only says, I want an adjournment because I'm not available, or the counsel is not available? We have to institutionalize the process so that we do not become a laughing stock in society. We will not become a laughing stock in society provided we send a message to society that we are very serious about the work which we do. Last year, we have set an unprecedented record, and I thank all my colleagues and the members of the bar for it. This record of disposal of 52,000 cases last year, this would not have been possible without the cooperation of the bar. It is only because all of you are ready to argue your cases before us that we are able to dispose of these cases. Because we can't dispose of the cases looking at the files and saying, well, I don't need the lawyers to argue. The quality of justice depends on the kind of arguments which you all make before us. So I want to thank all of you, the members of the bar, for cooperating with us and for raising this bar for the Supreme Court to dispose of as many as 52,000 cases in 1 year. And let's set a target that we will exceed even 52,000 in the next year. And please rest assured that the request which has been made by Mr. Agarwala ji will be attended to at the earliest. The committee will look into it, and I'm sure we'll come to a very, very satisfactory resolution.